Paras here. In today's video, I'm gonna share how I scaled from 0 to 6K a month and many learnings and many mistakes I made on the way, and hope you get a lot of value out of this. And before starting the video, and I'm gonna share a bit of my journey, how I got started through this, so it's a lot of, I can add a bit of context to it. I started my business with affiliate marketing back in August 2020, and I started learning about it, how it works, how you can make commissions, how you can do the things and make money online. But I got into this realization it's not gonna be that simple. I need to work a lot to make money online. It's not that easy. But once you learn it, you can't really unlearn it. And I've always wanted this life as I'm an immigrant from India. Like, I can be anywhere I want. I don't have to stay away from my family, and I can still make money. Even if I'm in India, I'm in Canada, it doesn't matter. I can still make money. And this always kept me pushing to figure out, like, if people are making money online, 100% there is a way. But I just need to figure out the way, what suits the best way that suits me. So on finding that thing that suits me, because there are a lot of ways to do this online business thing, but finding the way that suits you, it's a real question. So I'm gonna start with this, and in between I'm gonna share what mistakes I was making and what I was thinking wrong, and what I'm focusing on right now, how this led me to build my coaching business. Right now I'm building my coaching business. I work with high ticket affiliates and coaches to help them grow their business organically to 10K a month at least. So let's get into it. The first mistake I made, it got me thinking that I need to sell a product, I don't know, $200-300 to a lot of people to make $10,000 a month. And that's what I thought affiliate marketing is. But I got introduced to this concept of high ticket offers. And the best part is, you don't need that many people, because in the beginning, normal people like me don't have a big audience. My maximum, like, I had like 500 friends on Facebook, 300 friends on Instagram. That's what I had. And I started talking to other people and learning and investing money on myself, investing in coaching. And I got the understanding, there is a better way that I can use high ticket offers to build my business. And even if I have one for $3,000, I sell 3 people, and I'm still helping people out, but in a better way, in a one-on-one way, something with the high ticket, high value in it. And that's led me to high ticket offers. And look into that, because it's really hard to sell to 10,000 people like a $200 thing, but it's easier to sell if you can really talk to 200 people, and if you can sell even 3 or 4 of them to sell a $4,000, $5,000 product. It's a really better option to do that. And to fix your high ticket offer, or to build your high ticket offer, think about what are their biggest problems and who are you focusing on. Imagine if you're a fitness coach, what are the biggest problems your target market is facing right now. Like someone who go to the gym, doesn't like to go to gym, and what are you offering in their program that will help them to get the abs they want, the body they want, the physique they want. And what do they want bad enough? And what do they want bad enough? The people who are focusing on, or the people I'm focusing on, are entrepreneurs who want to scale their business to 10K a month, to quit their job as soon as possible. There might be other reasons, but I'm looking for that people specifically that want to quit their job and build a $10,000 monthly income at least, to spend more time with their family, to be their own boss, things like that. How can you skew value? So how can I create value for the offer? Like deliverables, like means what are you delivering in that? So how fast the results will come, and what things they have they can use to fast track their results. and what are you delivering on the table, that oh, these are the things you're gonna get. And when they read that, or they see that, or they see a video of your offer, and they see, oh, this is something I want, I'm ready to pay $3,000 to $4,000 at least to have this. And this is this. And if you can focus on this, you don't have to worry about building an audience of 10,000 people, 20,000 people, not even like 100 people, I would say. And that's what I did, because I have my community right now. There are 230 members in that, and right now I'm really focusing on helping people to monetize their audiences, because people have this assumption that I have to wait for this much time. There are a lot of things go into it. Who are you targeting? Imagine if you're targeting people who are broke and who want to build a business, and you're charging $3,000 or $4,000, it's not gonna work, right? But if you target the right people who have a job, making money, and they really want to build, just focusing on a little bit of entrepreneurial people who are already trying something to do, not people who are sitting at the sofa just thinking imaginary things like, oh, if I do this, if I do, they're really doing something. Like, think about this in a way, like, who are you targeting right now? Right now I target entrepreneurs who are already building the business, who want to scale, who are already making money online, who want to scale their businesses. So they're already making money, and it's easy to talk to them, they are open to suggestion, they're open to learn things like that. And when you figure out, when you're in the beginning, when you figure this out, what are you gonna offer, next is testing your offer. So what that means is customer acquisition. So the next part is the customer acquisition. How are you gonna do that? So you can do by value posts on Facebook. Reach out to people, reach out to those people who engage on your post, who comment on your post, and then you can build relationship with them. Don't just try to sell them, because this happened to me in the beginning. I was just trying to selling, but even the problem happens when they're sold, your relationship is not that strong. They're not gonna listen, they're not gonna get the results, and at the end of the day you have to give the refund back. So you don't want that. You want to learn about the people who you want to work with, and build relationship with them, not just try to sell them. How you can build relationship? Talk them on the messenger, learn about their daily struggles, learn about what problems they are having on a daily basis, and provide them your solution. If you do this continuously, talk to them and create content on Facebook, value post, your learning, things like that. And third, this is really powerful, people you know that you can help. Your dad's friend, your mom's friend, your lot of people you can talk to that might need your help. Like, right now I'm at a stage where I have this big network of people from jobs I did in the past, from things I did in the past, who knows I'm doing this thing. Imagine someone is complaining to those people who are saying, oh, I want to quit my job, I don't like my job, I end up going to entrepreneurship. They're definitely gonna refer my name. Oh, this guy is doing this. Talk to him, let's see what happens. And you never know what happens, right? Just talk to them. Oh, I'm doing this new thing, and helping with fitness, helping with making money online, helping with relationships. It's your call what you're gonna do, right? And this is the biggest word of mouth travel. This is something I started my business with. In the beginning, I had to eat some dirt, like, you don't have any customer, nobody trusts you, things like that. You don't trust yourself, you can get people results or not. But with this, what you can do is, if you find someone I will tell you my first customer who I started working with, again, results. His name is Raj, and he didn't have the money, but I figured out he had really, this belief that really want to do it. I see he's working hard. So what I did, I gave him free coaching call, like 3 to 4 coaching calls. And in that time, in that way, both things happened. I got approval that my things work, and second happened, he made a sale. And then if he makes money online now, he can pay me now, and we can start working together. And in both ways, a win-win. You get a testimonial and case studies are the biggest win you can have, because you can make money anywhere in the world, but you can have testimonials that you are the person to go to. You have 500 testimonials in your back, and you can show this to people, like I have this person to make this money, I have this paper to make this money, I have testimonials, I have results, I have client results. And that really boosts up the ecosystem that, oh, this guy is doing something really nice, at least I should talk to him. And this is the most powerful, I would say, most powerful, word of mouth and referrals. Because word of mouth, it takes 7 hours to someone to consume your content and see the things what you're sharing. But if someone is word of mouth, they're gonna jump on the car straight away, not even 5 minutes, and you can turn them into a customer, high ticket paying customer who knows about you, who trust you from someone else. This is the biggest. And as I talk about and testing this thing too, I told you we're testing the high ticket offer. If you can test this thing too, customer acquisition. So some people really like Facebook. I'm majority on Facebook. I don't do much on any other platform. YouTube is the one, but still Facebook is the number one I go to, because there are already people who are looking for solutions, and I don't want to change the algorithm. I don't care. I just want to help people out where they are already hanging out, and if I can help them get the results, it doesn't matter. And figure out what platform would you like to choose, because Facebook is the most preferred for me, and Instagram can be the one, LinkedIn can be the one, because people are building businesses there. People are trying to improve on LinkedIn, like focusing on better careers, things like that. Word of mouth. Now we'll get on the messaging part. Tie what you offer to what they want. So if they want $10,000 a month, can my offer and how my offer will lead them to this result? So, and result example, $10,000 a month, and what they want is them to make more money. If they want to make more money online, offer optimized marketing. My offer can be, I will optimize your offer, I will optimize your marketing, I will optimize your content. They will make more money, and I can give them some mindset. I'll write this down too. And I can give them some mindset principles too, they can focus on to build that business. And in the beginning, especially if you haven't made any money yet, if you are not ready to eat dirt, like working really hard, just focusing on the people result, that's what gonna help you scale your business. If you're just about making money, you're gonna make some money, but I see a lot of people that they're just showing their results. It's good, nothing bad in it, but if you have your client results, that this guy came to me with this problem, I solved it, now he's making $10,000 a month, it is so powerful. And right now I have clients in India, Australia, America, everywhere. Some are in the process of getting results, some are already getting results. One of my clients had like $5,000 a month living in India and starting from scratch in maximum like 3 to 4 months. Think about this, it's so powerful. If we can show people that, it's just crazy. And you just need to keep on until you reach your goal. I don't know where you want to reach, 10K, 20K, but this is what I did to reach my 6K in 20 days. And just keep on refining your offer. As you get more and more results, you can increase the price of your offer, you can put in more deliverables, like what are the things that people are getting results through. Like the major thing I focus on to fixing their offer, because a lot of people don't even understand this thing, that offer is the key. Because from offer, everything's gonna come out. The content is come out for the offer, what you're gonna help with come out of the offer, everything, every single penny generated from your business come out of the offer. If it is not offer that's strong enough that people get it, oh yes, I want to buy it, I want to buy it right now, it's not a good offer. Just figure out your offer that what are they, just write down pieces of paper what the problem they are having, how you gonna solve it, and in the least resistance way how you gonna solve these problem, and you're gonna come with the crazy badass offer that's really gonna help them out. And this is the same process that helped me reach 2k, 3k, 6k, and I'm gonna use it again, and I'm still refining my offer, still working on getting my better offer. Right now I work with high ticket affiliate marketers and coaches to help them 10k a month, and slowly I'm gonna get more results, more testimonials, more case studies, and just gonna boost up the system. And that's what I'm going for. And on the same time, imagine this, what a lot of people don't understand is they don't want to do the work or having 3 to 4 things like main parts in the ecosystem. So right now I have YouTube channel, my Facebook group, and my Facebook profile for the business. The bigger ecosystem is, the better it's gonna get, because there are more people who gonna watch your YouTube videos, and more people who are in your community, they engage in your community, they like what you're sharing, and you can help more people, provide the value, the things you have in your brain, you can give more people the value you want, that you want to share. It's just all the same mediums of providing value to people, but more people can see it, the more money you can make. Imagine someone has a group of someone doesn't have a group and they only have a Facebook, they don't have a YouTube channel too. They don't have a YouTube channel, they don't have a Facebook group, and this is so critical. They only have a Facebook profile. Imagine Facebook decides I'm gonna shut off their profile. What you gonna do? And your business is gone in a day. You don't have any backups or things like that, and you can't do anything. Your account gets suspended, things like that. What you gonna do? But you have an ecosystem now. People are watching on your YouTube channel. You can still help them out. And before going, I want to share free Facebook group is open for you. Free to, there are a lot of interviews there, trainings there, how you can implement these, learn about how to generate traffic, content, offer in detail, 40 minutes training on offer, how you can generate a killer offer that can really help you go to the $10,000 mark. And hope this video gets a lot of value to you. If you have any questions, drop down in the comment, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.